All right, well, we got that tree chipped up and staged. Unfortunately, I didn't pay attention to where I was setting up my phone. I set it in the corner over there, right in the sun. So, recorded for a while, and then my phone overheated. Sorry about that, guys. So we're getting a pull rope set in the last pine. Why it is. It'll look like it.
Heck yeah.
We're gonna get this rope set and then cut her down.
Oh, that was your saw? Fired right up.
Well, as you guys seen there, everything went smooth. I keep having phone complications, so you guys aren't being able to see everything. But as you've seen there, I thought I had my saw, the dogs dug in when I was making the back cut. And I was kind of walking around the tree and didn't see my saw vibrating out. Well, it fell out and rolled into the creek. Thank God it didn't flood it, but it did shut it off. So that was a little setback. But it still works. We got that done. So today's job went well. We got it all finished up. We got all of our obligations done for the homeowner. Everything went really smooth. We even went above and beyond a little bit. I did have a few camera complications again today, so you guys weren't able to see everything. Bear with me, I'm getting it all figured out. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. I almost forgot for a second.